This 2016 Kia Sorento is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Just in 2016 Kia Sorento X Edition 3.3L V6 engine, leather interior, clean no rust, premium wheels with newer tires, 6-speed auto transmission, clean Ohio title, Gold AC, 1 owner, strong running engine and transmission, power doors and windows, no issues. We beat everyone's price. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. Auto check available on all vehicles. Must see IT. Call us today 330-475-4817 or for more pics and deals like this one please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on SUVs. When we say best deals we mean IT. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by at our dealership. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome all out-state customers and airport pick UPS.